FAQs about Dillonyx regia. Dillonyx regia, commonly known as the flame tree or Royal Poinciana, is one of the most stunning flowering trees with its vibrant red or orange blossoms. Here, I'll address some frequently asked questions about this magnificent tree. How to grow Dillonyx regia from seed. Growing Dillonyx regia from seed can be a rewarding process. First, you'll need to scarify the seeds, which involves nicking the seed coat with a knife or sandpaper to help water penetrate. After scarification, soak the seeds in warm water for 24 hours to soften them. Plant the seeds in a well-draining soil mix, about 1 inch deep. Keep the soil consistently moist and place the container in a warm, sunny location. The ideal temperature for germination is between 70 to 85 degrees Fahrenheit, 21 to 29 degrees Celsius. How long does it take Dillonyx regia seeds to germinate? Dillonyx regia seeds usually germinate within 10 to 20 days, depending on the growing conditions. Warmer temperatures and consistent moisture can speed up the process. Patience is key, as some seeds may take a little longer to sprout. How to care for Dillonyx regia. Caring for Dillonyx regia involves providing it with the right conditions to thrive. This tree loves full sun and requires at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight daily. It prefers well-draining, sandy soils, but can tolerate a variety of soil types as long as they are not waterlogged. Water the tree regularly, especially during dry periods, but allow the soil to dry out slightly between watering to prevent root rot. Fertilize with a balanced fertilizer during the growing season to promote healthy growth and vibrant blooms. How to prune Dillonyx regia. Pruning Dillonyx regia is essential for maintaining its shape and promoting healthy growth. The best time to prune is during the dormant season, late winter to early spring. Remove any dead, diseased, or damaged branches first. Next, thin out crowded branches to improve air circulation and light penetration. For young trees, focus on shaping the tree by removing lower branches to encourage a strong central leader. Avoid heavy pruning as it can stress the tree and reduce flowering. How to keep Dillonyx regia tree-like bonsai. To maintain Dillonyx regia as a tree-like bonsai, you'll need to prune and shape it regularly. Start by selecting a young tree and potting it in a well-draining bonsai soil mix. Prune the roots and branches to create the desired shape, and use wire to train the branches. Regularly trim new growth to maintain the bonsai size and shape. Place the bonsai in a sunny location and water it consistently, allowing the soil to dry slightly between watering. Fertilize during the growing season with a balanced bonsai fertilizer. When does Dillonyx regia bloom? Dillonyx regia typically blooms in late spring to early summer, producing clusters of vibrant red or orange flowers. The blooming period can last several weeks, and mature trees are often covered in blossoms, creating a stunning display. Flowering may vary based on climate and growing conditions. Why is my Dillonyx regia losing its leaves? If your Dillonyx regia is losing its leaves, several factors could be at play. It's common for this tree to shed leaves during dry seasons or in response to stress. Ensure the tree is receiving adequate water, especially during drought periods. Check for pests or diseases that could be affecting the tree's health. Environmental changes, such as sudden temperature drops or transplant shock, can also cause leaf drop. Providing consistent care and addressing any underlying issues should help the tree recover. How to propagate Dillonyx regia. Propagating Dillonyx regia can be done through seeds or cuttings. For seed propagation, follow the steps outlined in the How to Grow Dillonyx regia from Seed section. For cuttings, take a semi-hardwood cutting from a healthy tree during the growing season. Remove the lower leaves and dip the cut end in rooting hormone. Plant the cutting in a well-draining soil mix and keep it moist. Place the cutting in a warm, sunny location. Rooting can take several weeks to a few months. What to plant with Dillonyx regia. When planting Dillonyx regia, consider companion plants that complement its vibrant flowers and provide additional visual interest. Drought-tolerant plants like lantana, bougainvillea, and agave make excellent companions. Ground covers such as creeping thyme or lantana can enhance the area around the tree while helping to retain soil moisture. Avoid planting under the tree's canopy, as its dense foliage can create heavy shade. Delonix regia is a stunning addition to any landscape, and with the right care, it can thrive and provide a beautiful display of flowers. Whether you're growing it from seed, shaping it as a bonsai, or enjoying its full-size splendor, understanding its needs and addressing common issues will help you enjoy this magnificent tree for years to come.